Excuse me. I was just wondering, have you subscribed to LMT DIY with Rika on YouTube? Have you liked it on Facebook? You might want to hit that bell, bing, bing, bang, and get that ding, ding, dang when I post a new video. Because it seems to me that you're missing out. If you didn't know, that's because you didn't hit that subscribe button, and you need to go do it. Hi, welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back. Okay, so on today, this is supposed to be a quick video, so I'm going to be talking quickly, have somewhere to be. My mom's going to pick me up. I'm going to be doing the Fenty Beauty, the Fenty Skin line. Got the little starter kit for like 40 bucks at Sephora. So if you don't want to buy the big bottles and you want to try it, get this one at Sephora. I ain't sponsored, but you know. So I'm going to get into this like ASAP. We don't have time to chit chat. We all know what's up. Brianna made us a skincare line. Let's get into it. So first up is the Total Cleanser. Remove It All Cleanser. Right here. I'm going to get this one on. Let me see if it's some instructions that I need to be doing. Directions: use day and night. Remove makeup, no impurities with skin. Working to lather, rinse, pack, dry, repeat. Follow with fat water. Okay, got it. So I just need a little water on my face, which she did. So I'm gonna do it right here. Put a little water. My hands are clean. Y'all know I like to get things prepped before I start recording. I try to anyway. Do a little dollop of that. You know, Rihanna extra. She put a whole lot in her hands. I don't think I need that much. I think she just did that for the effect. Where, you know, use it up, sis, so you can pop some more. This was far more than enough. I probably could have did half of that. Half of what I put on my hand. Okay. I like it. It feels amazing. It feels like I'm putting lotion on or something. Alright. She don't tell you how long the last is. That's one thing I don't. Yeah. You say work into a lather, rinse, pat, dry, and then put on fat water. So I'm never outside when people come to pick me up. I'm never ready. So I'm hoping I can get done in time. Brush my hair in a ponytail and be ready for my mom to come get me. Alright, let me rinse this off. I should take this ponytail holder off my hand that I'm about to put in my hair. That's not smart. That was not smart. Now I need a new ponytail holder because that was wet. I then definitely can't put that in my hair. It's straightened. I already sweated it out last night in my sleep. Because, listen, the struggle been real. I keep losing my headscarf in my sleep. It's like I'm not used to it being so tight on my head anymore. Because I don't straighten my hair like that. Here's the glue for my lashes. Oops. There. It's a little better. My lashes just look sad. I'm not happy with me. Alright, pat dry, boom boom, that's done. Get these edges. Okay, the fat water says, so the Total Cleanser says, hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover. Does feel amazing. My face does not feel stripped and dry like how would I use my dial, which I don't mind that feeling because I go back and moisturize. So This fat water says instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. Directions: use day and night on clean, dry skin. Apply over face with fingers. Follow with hydro visor in the AM. For external use only. Use as directed. Okay, so I will use the other one next. First, the fat water, which is what I was really excited about. This is what, if I didn't buy all the other ones, if she hadn't had this starter kit, I was going to get the fat water at least, because I wanted to try a new toner. Because it's by Rihanna, y'all, and look, I got these dark spots that I want out of here. So I'm gonna apply it to the finger, as she said, and I just don't feel like I need too much, but I know I need a cool amount. This is not very squeezable. This bottle is so small you can't really squeeze it. You gotta dump it under the eye. Come on, Rihanna, come true, sis. Ooh, that do feel good. It's very lightweight. For it to be called fat water, I know it's because it's thicker, but it feels very lightweight on my face. It feels like I just wiped water on my face. I'm not gonna lie. So that was the fat water and the cleanser. Ugh, come out of here, Hydro Visor. So this says Hydro Visor. Light as air hydration, invisible sun protection, defends and brightens skin while reducing the look of pores. Oil-free, made with care for coral reefs. Does not contain oxybenzone or I'm just stuck on oxybenzone. Octinoxide. I don't know, I think I'm saying it wrong. Anyway, the directions for this says use daily, no excuses. Apply before makeup for the ultimate canvas. So this is the one that I believe has the SPF in it that she said. Has SPF in there already for you. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Reapply at least every 2 hours. Don't use your damaged or broken skin. Yeah, it literally says the purpose is sunscreen. So I'm gonna use it. I don't think I got 15 minutes until my mom gets here. We'll see. Come on, little buddy, pump, pump, pumpity pump. You know you gotta get it started. There we go. I don't know, everything is a pink tone. Hopefully this don't break me out, y'all. This is my biggest worry, because I can't be putting too much stuff on my face. But it says it's, oh, it smells good. It says it's oil free. It smells like mandarin or tangerines or something. But yeah, as I was saying, it says it's oil free. So I think for me, my biggest worry is the scent, because my skin is like, what you doing all the time? So as y'all can tell, got a little breakout happening here. And that is for me spraying my perfume and the Chanel got on my skin instead of where I'm supposed to be spraying, it actually got on my skin. So I don't know, certain things I can't do, I just break out. I had a situation on the side of my neck going here, but it's going away now. But yeah, okay, Fenty. I am all clean and cleansed, moisturized. Look at that skin. I mean, I feel like, I'm not saying like everybody's skin gonna look like mine, because I already got nice skin for the most part. I randomly get blemishes, so it's like, yeah. But anyway, bye y'all. My mom's calling. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.